Hey guys, welcome to Coding Beast. In this video, we will see how we can disable back button the new way, since recently Android has deprecated the old way to disable it. We have created two activity. In first, we have this button which will take us to the next activity. In the second activity, we have a text which says second screen. Closing these and going to the Kotlin code. In main activity, I have added this intent which will take us to the second screen. This is everything we will need in the main activity. Now, going to the second activity. Here we will add a dispatcher, which will have a callback. In this, we will create an object which will be implemented to get the onBackPressed handler. Make sure the object is of the type onBackPressed callback, then only we will get the desired function for implementation. Now override the handle onBackPressed function, leave it empty if you don't want any custom implementations, or else you can add something of your own requirement. This is all you need to get it working. Now let's test by running it in an Android emulator. As you can see, on using back gesture from both sides and by pressing back button, we are not going to the main activity. You can use this overridden method to show a dialogue and a lot of stuff. This is all for this video. If your problem was solved, make sure to like the video, and a sub to channel would be amazing.